Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue north on US Highway 1, South Federal Highway, starting at mile 173.8 as we cross State Road 824, Pembroke Road, and enter the city of Hollywood. Hollywood was laid out in the 1920s by developer Joseph W. Young as a planned dream city, and it's the second largest city in Broward County with a population of 153,067 as of the 2020 census. From US-1, we're rolling into downtown Hollywood's grid of low-rise shops and mid-rise apartments. East along Hollywood Boulevard is the Beachside Broadwalk, a 2.5-mile oceanfront promenade that's one of the area's signature attractions. Look for wayfinding toward the Art and Culture Center on Harrison Street and the Downtown Hollywood Mural Project. Both are just off the highway and help anchor the downtown arts scene. Approaching Hollywood Boulevard, State Road 820, we arrive at Young Circle, the first traffic circle we've encountered on US-1 in this series. It isn't a modern yield-controlled roundabout. It's a large signalized circle with multiple stoplights that meter movements, which, depending on your viewpoint, can undercut the usual roundabout flow. The circle is huge, about 1,000 feet in diameter, with 3 circulating lanes and 6 signalized intersections feeding it. On the northeast arc, a mixed-use tower called Hollywood Circle, or the Cirque, wraps the frontage, with a Publix at the base. The Young Circle Shopping Center is on the east side of the circle, interrupting Hollywood Boulevard as seen in the diagram. Inside the circle is ArtsPark at Young Circle, a 10-acre green space dedicated in 2007 and named for the city's founder. It hosts concerts and festivals and includes studios where you can watch artists at work. Glass and metal arts are crowd favorites, plus playgrounds and an amphitheater. If you're beach-bound, continuing east on Hollywood Boulevard from here leads directly to the Broadwalk and the Sand. A quick note on this brief detour. An unknown closure sent us west through the Royal Poinciana neighborhood before we worked back to US-1. You'll see some of the neighborhood as we make our way around the closed road. Royal Poinciana spans between US-1 and the Florida East Coast Railroad corridor with classic 1920s to 1950s housing stock and small infill apartments. We'll rejoin US-1 at a median and swing a quick U-turn of questionable legality to get back north. US-1 continues past mom-and-pop diners and vintage motor courts as we angle toward the city line at State Road 822, Sheridan Street. Crossing Sheridan, we enter Dania Beach, the county's oldest incorporated city and self-styled antique capital of the South, which had 31,723 residents at the 2020 census. Federal Highway is Dania's main spine. Watch the storefronts shift to antique galleries and consignment showrooms near Dania Beach Boulevard. Dania's downtown is compact, but packed with landmarks within a block or two of US-1. Just east along Dania Beach Boulevard is the casino at Dania Beach, formerly the famous Dania High Alive fronton, still hosting High Alive alongside slots, poker, and entertainment. Also along Federal Highway, you'll pass Jackson's Ice Cream, a beloved 1956 institution known for enormous sundaes and a retro country store vibe. It's hard to miss from the road and makes an easy stop. Head straight east on Dania Beach Boulevard and you'll reach Dania Beach Ocean Park and the fishing pier. Back in the core, the historic Dixie Highway runs just to our west beside the railroad tracks. In central Dania Beach, cross-street links near Dania Beach Boulevard pull that old alignment back to Federal Highway. Just a personal side note, I had no idea what High Ally was prior to researching this. I had heard it mentioned in the past. We even had it in the New Orleans area at one time down in St. Bernard Parish, so I looked it up and found a live High Ally match on YouTube. I couldn't make any sense of what I was seeing, yet I watched, mesmerized, for about 20 minutes. I still don't really understand the sport, how it's played, or how the scoring works. But my understanding is that it's practically a lost art in the United States, so check it out. We'll wrap up this leg as we approach State Road 818 Griffin Road at mile 178.4. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.